If you think your garden loses its magic after spring, you're about to discover a completely different world. Because some perennial flowers don't bloom for just a few weeks. They explode with color for months. From the humid summers of the American South to the dry landscapes of Arizona, to the cool northern gardens of Minnesota and Maine. These rare and long-blooming perennials can transform an ordinary yard into a living masterpiece until the very first frost. And the best part? Many of them come back bigger and stronger every single year. Today, we're counting down 10 of the longest-blooming perennial flowers perfect for American gardens, including a few hidden gems most people have never heard of. Let's begin. Number 10. Russian Sage. If you've ever driven through the dry landscapes of Colorado, Utah, or New Mexico and noticed clouds of soft purple dancing in the wind, there's a good chance you were looking at Russian sage. This stunning perennial produces silvery stems covered in tiny lavender blue flowers from midsummer all the way into fall. And unlike delicate flowers that collapse during heat waves, Russian sage thrives in brutal summer temperatures. It loves full sun, it tolerates drought, and deer usually leave it alone. That makes it perfect for low-maintenance American gardens, especially in the western states. When planted near walkways, it creates a dreamy cottage garden effect that looks almost magical during sunset. Number 9. Black-Eyed Susan. This flower is pure American summer. Native to North America, Black-Eyed Susans light up gardens with bright golden petals and dark chocolate centers. You'll see them growing everywhere from Texas highways to Pennsylvania meadows. And once they begin blooming in early summer, they often continue until frost. Pollinators absolutely love them. Butterflies, native bees, even goldfinches arrive later to snack on the seeds. These flowers are also incredibly forgiving for beginners. Poor soil? Fine. Hot weather? No problem. Heavy rain? They can handle it. If you want non-stop color with almost no effort, this perennial deserves a place in your yard. Number 8. Coreopsis. Many American gardeners call this the sunshine flower. And the reason becomes obvious the moment it blooms. Coreopsis produces waves of cheerful yellow, orange, pink, or red flowers for months at a time. In warmer regions like Florida, Georgia, and Southern California, some varieties bloom nearly year-round. But even in colder northern states, they keep flowering deep into autumn. One reason gardeners love Coreopsis is its incredible reliability. It doesn't demand constant watering, it handles heat beautifully, and it spreads joyfully without becoming invasive. Plant it near patios or front entrances, and your entire landscape instantly feels brighter and more welcoming. Number 7. Salvia. If hummingbirds could choose a favorite flower, this might be it. Salvia sends up tall spikes of purple, blue, red, or pink blooms that can last from late spring until frost. And once pollinators discover it, your garden suddenly becomes alive with movement. In states like California and Arizona, salvias thrive under intense sun. In cooler climates like Michigan or Vermont, they still perform beautifully through summer and fall. One of the best things about salvia is how dramatic it looks in landscaping. The vertical flower spikes create height and texture that make even small gardens feel professionally designed. And when the wind moves through them, the entire garden seems to dance. Number 6. Gallardia, also known as blanket flower. This is one of the toughest blooming perennials in America. Blanket flowers explode with fiery shades of red, orange, and yellow that resemble miniature sunsets. They thrive in poor soil, they love intense heat, and they keep blooming when many other flowers begin to fade. Gardeners across Oklahoma, Kansas, and Nevada especially love them because they tolerate drought so well. But their biggest superpower is endurance. Deadhead them occasionally, and they'll reward you with nonstop flowers for months. Some gardeners even report blooms surviving into early winter during mild seasons. Number 5. Bee Balm. If you want your garden to feel wild, alive, and full of energy, Bee Balm is unforgettable. This Native American perennial produces unusual firework-shaped flowers in shades of scarlet, pink, purple, and white. And pollinators go absolutely crazy for it. Bees swarm around it, butterflies hover constantly, and hummingbirds often fight over the blooms. Bee Balm thrives in regions with humid summers like the Midwest and the Northeast. Places like Ohio, Illinois, and New York are perfect for it. Besides its beauty, Bee Balm also fills the air with a fresh herbal fragrance when touched. It doesn't just look alive, it feels alive. Number 4. Hardy Geranium. Not to be confused with annual geraniums sold in garden centers. Hardy geraniums are true long-lived perennials that quietly outperform many famous flowers. These low-growing plants spread into beautiful carpets covered in pink, violet, blue, or white blooms. And some varieties flower continuously from late spring until frost. They're especially popular in the Pacific Northwest and cooler northern states because they tolerate rain exceptionally well. Hardy geraniums also solve one of the biggest landscaping problems in America: empty ground beneath shrubs and trees. They fill spaces gracefully while suppressing weeds and adding months of color. Elegant, durable, and surprisingly underrated. Number 3. Catmint. At first glance, catmint looks soft and delicate, but this perennial is almost indestructible. It produces clouds of lavender blue flowers from late spring through autumn and thrives across a huge range of American climates. From dry Texas landscapes to suburban gardens in New Jersey, catmint adapts beautifully. It's also one of the easiest flowers to maintain. A quick trim after the first bloom often triggers an even bigger second wave of flowers. And unlike many high-maintenance perennials, catmint rarely suffers from pests or disease. Its soft color pairs beautifully with roses, ornamental grasses, and cottage-style gardens. And during golden evening light, it looks absolutely breathtaking. Number 2. Coneflower, also known as echinacea. Few flowers symbolize the American prairie more beautifully than coneflowers. These native perennials combine toughness with stunning beauty. Their large daisy-like blooms appear in purple, pink, white, orange, yellow, and even green. And once established, they can survive drought, harsh winters, and extreme summer heat. That's why gardeners from South Dakota to Tennessee rely on them for dependable long-season color. But coneflowers offer something even more valuable. They create a complete wildlife ecosystem. Butterflies feed on the nectar, bees gather pollen, and birds feast on the seed heads during fall and winter. Even after blooming ends, they continue bringing life into the garden. And finally, number 1, Verbena bonariensis. This flower doesn't just bloom for a long time. It transforms entire gardens. Verbena bonariensis produces tall, airy stems topped with clusters of floating purple flowers that seem to hover above the landscape. And unbelievably, it blooms from early summer until frost with very little care. In warm states like California, Texas, and the Carolinas, it becomes a magnet for butterflies all season long. What makes it so special is the effect it creates. Because the stems are tall and thin, you can see through them. That gives gardens a soft, layered, almost cinematic look. Professional landscape designers love using verbena because it adds movement, elegance, and endless color without overwhelming other plants. And once you see it glowing in golden sunset light with butterflies dancing around it, you understand why so many gardeners become obsessed with it. So before you spend another season planting flowers that disappear after a few weeks, consider building a garden that keeps blooming month after month, all the way until frost.
Because the right perennial flowers don't just decorate a yard, they create a living experience, one filled with butterflies, movement, color, and life. And the most beautiful part? Next year, they come back again.